Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And in today's video, we are going to be playing with the Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. Very excited to do something very beautiful with this baby. And a lot of my clients have been telling me about the mystery boxes that Essence are selling on Takealot. So I decided to buy myself one. And it came just in time for this video. If you want to see what's in this mystery box, watch till the end. But first, we're gonna have some fun with some makeup. Yes. guys, thank you so much for watching. It's time for the mystery box. This is what the box looks like. It's still sealed, I haven't opened it yet. Let's see what's inside. So we got a glitter and pigment applicator. It looks like this. And then we got the cushion eyeliner. And then we have a Easy Glide and Waterproof Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in the color Silky Nude. It looks like this. And then we have another lip liner, Heart of Stone. It's a very pretty color. Looks like that. And then we have some glitter. Pretty glitters. And then we have mascara. Oh, this is nice. I saw this in the shop and I wanted to try it. This is the Metal Shock eyeshadow. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, it's pretty. It's quite a few colors that would have gone very nicely with this makeup, eh? There's the Color Boost liquid lipstick. Shine, Shine, Shine Wet Lock lip gloss. And then some, this is nice, this very nice color. Some Q-Tex nail polish. So there we go, guys. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items of the Essence Cosmetics mystery box for only 229 rand, but it was on special on Takealot. So if you want to get yourself a mystery box, you can go and take a look on Takealot. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and put on your notification bell for a notification when I upload a new video. And then you must have a great night. I'll see you in my next video.